Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Simon. I'm one half of F&S Resellers. Me and my wife Faye run a online retailing business where we mainly resell on eBay and Amazon. Today's video is about coupons and why you should use them. I wanted to share with you a test that I've been running on coupons. This is where you can either set up a coupon that's running full time on your site, so it could be 15% off, 20% off, 10% off, or also you can send coupons to customers, so previous customers in the last 90 days. Over on your order screen you can see the opportunity to send a coupon. I used that send coupon option as a bit of a trial. I sent all of our customers in the last 90 days a coupon for 20% off. It was unrestricted in terms of the amount the customer could save, how many items they could put in their basket, etc, etc. So it really gave them the opportunity to buy anything they want with a huge saving. And the results were really poor, really disappointing. Now there's a number of reasons for that, I guess. As I said, I was just trialing it out. I haven't lost anything other than a bit of time to do it, but all that was produced in 700 coupons being sent out was sales of £7.19. But I want to share with you a much better way of utilising the coupons and why you should do it, and perhaps also why you won't lose as much profit as you might think. Coupons I sent out to the customers were, as I said, for 20% off, but they only ran for 3 days. So the customer just had 3 days to redeem the voucher. That's not too much time. Also, we don't really have loads of returning customers. We don't sell in one particular niche. So it's not like we're selling pet supplies, where people are going to be coming back again and again for their favourite dog food. What I tried to do with those coupons was target customers with like products. So customers who bought clothes. The coupon thumbnail was some diesel jeans, I think. Those who'd bought makeup, I targeted them with an image of some makeup, Clinique it was, and so on. But it didn't bring the results that I'd hoped for. I shared the results on Instagram. We had quite a few comments and messages, people quite interested in the subject and anything that we were learning that we could share. And it was Shopping with Sophie who said that she runs a coupon full-time, just leaves it on there, and that we should give that a go. Coupons is quite a new thing to eBay. We try and keep up with the changes, the new tools. We use as many of them as we can. We'd had a bit of a busy few months. So on the same day that Sophie contacted me, I set up a coupon and it was 20% off anything over £5. It was unlimited, so it could be used as many times, and it was a public coupon, and that public coupon means that the customer has to still apply it at checkout. So products show that there's a coupon available. The results were quite good. So this was a 18-day period, 12th September to 30th of September, and it produced sales of £650. That's not bad at all. Obviously we don't know whether those customers were destined for our shop anyway and going to make a purchase. Those are the sort of things that we'll never know. But what I am interested in is what I can see, which was those sales compared to even the 3-day sales that we got of £7.19. When you do the maths on that, this one was running for 6 times the amount of time, so it was 18 days versus the previous 3 days that we were offering, and produced those results. And really what I wanted to share with you is that if you're worried about giving away this much discount, I've put together some information for you that I think will convince you to give it a try. I took a sample here of 50 consecutive orders that were running in the period that we're offering 20% off. And you can see on the screen there, the first one shows the 20% off promotion was taken. The item was up for $15.99 and the customer paid $12.79 after applying the coupon. What's really interesting through these slides is that not many customers actually took the coupon up. You can see as the slides roll, there's only one on that page, none on that page. So out of 50 orders, only 20 customers actually applied the coupon. And what's really interesting is the total sales before any discounts were or would have been given was £817.28. Now the discounts that were given, because only those 20 customers applied the vouchers, was actually only £63.48, which meant £99.94 worth of vouchers of 20% discounts weren't applied, and they were all eligible. So that actually works out. We didn't give away 20% on those 50 orders, we actually only gave away 7%, and that is really, really good. I believe that having the coupons visible brought more traffic to our shop. 20% was available, but we only gave away in total 7% discount. It's quite funny really, because a couple of times, Faye's been listening quite a lot recently, and a couple of times she was like, oh no, that's sold for a little bit less. Because of the coupon. I just would sort of remind her of the customers that didn't apply the coupon on the 3 or 4 orders before that, and that sort of seemed to appease things. This is just a little insight into why I think that you should use coupons. Just go to your marketing tab, go to promotions and coupons and create one now. Give it a try. You can mess around with, you can do all inventory, you can pick certain products, you can do a minimum purchase, a maximum purchase. You really can tailor it quite well to what you need. I believe there's improvements that could be made, quite a lot of improvements, but I won't go into that now. This is a positive video about using coupons. Why not give it a try? So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you do that, it shows that you're enjoying our content, and it's what eggs us on to make more. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.